here at Woolwich Pier, which is the riverboat pier for the RB1 service between Barking Riverside and Westminster. And in order to get to the actual town of Woolwich, you need to head down this ramp. There's the bridge that heads down to the pier itself. And over there is the town of Woolwich, or the suburb of Woolwich. And then you need to turn right and then go down these stairs. Or for step 3 passengers, you have to head this way. So, I'm not sure what happened there. That's why I just paused the video for a second. But anyways, so this is the forecourt of Woolwich Pier. And we're actually near the Woolwich Foot Tunnel, which is actually an alternative to the Woolwich Ferry, which is nearby. And I consider the Woolwich Ferry to be so pointless that I think it's the most pointless bit of transport in the UK. But it checks out. And here are some statues of humans. I'm not sure which ones. And this pathway here, which is known as Number 1 Street, heads into the town. And here's like a few cannons of guns. So much. And nice elephant and castle vibes, because you got so much seagulls. Oh, no, pigeons, not seagulls. And I came here from Barking Riverside on the riverboat. And I'm heading down to the Elizabeth line at Woolwich, which is where I'll end my journey. And I'll end the video. I accidentally said on the ending bit of my line on the boat itself, which was actually a mistake. So I wanted to end it at Woolwich Elizabeth line station. And I'll head home that way. You have modern apartments in this area, thanks to the Elizabeth line coming through the area. And it's actually the penultimate stop before the trains terminate at Abbey Wood. And the overground would have actually extended down to Abbey Wood through a proposal, but that never happened. And it never will, I think. But I deem that as unlikely, not impossible. And so I'm pretty sure the Elizabeth line station at Woolwich is down this way. From that main street by the riverboat pier, I believe you turn left and then you would encounter the Elizabeth line Woolwich. But I'm not sure. There it is. There is Woolwich Station on the Elizabeth line. And here is the Randall sign for Woolwich. And here's the station building of Woolwich Elizabeth line station. Oh, I like this. first concourse at Woolwich, and there's a sign showing the way to Woolwich Arsenal. And we're heading down on these escalators, down to the platform level of Woolwich. And it's here I'll end the video, so... They added a new destination style screen. Now we're on the platform level, and the next train is in 4 minutes, and I'll take that into central London. On the platform of Woolwich Elizabeth line, and that's the eastbound platform for Abbey Wood, and that's the westbound platform for central London, Heathrow and Reading, as well as Maidenhead at some time. And it looks like an enlarged version of Paddington in some way. Here's the Rambles. It's pretty quiet at this part of the platform. And we have a train arriving.
Platform B
4
is the service to Heathrow Airport Terminal 4.
Right, this train is now leaving for Heathrow Terminal 4. I think I'll board the next train. And Abbey Wood service is coming in, which we'll call it Abbey Wood only. This train will now leave. The next train for Reading is in 2 minutes.
The train approaching platform B is the service to Reading. Not stopping at Acton Main Line, West Ealing, Hanwell, and Ivor.
From Saturday, the 7th of March to Monday, the 1st of April, there are many videos of when travelling on this line.
And I'll board the next train, and I'll say goodbye now. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.
The train approaching platform B is the service to Heathrow Airport Terminal 4.